Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is objective type test, its merits and limitations. Let us first try to understand what is objective type test. Objective type tests are valuable tools for efficiently assessing factual knowledge, comprehension, and specific skills. Objective tests are assessments designed to measure a learner's knowledge, skills, or abilities in a standardized and efficient manner. These tests typically consist of questions with predefined correct answers, allowing for quick and reliable grading. Various formats are used in objective type tests, providing flexibility in assessing different types of knowledge. These tests are widely used in educational settings, recruitment processes, and various forms of standardized testing. What are various characteristics of objective type test? 1. Predefined correct answers. One of the fundamental characteristics of objective type tests is that each question has a correct answer determined in advance. This allows for objective and consistent grading. 2. Efficiency in grading. Objective tests are efficient in terms of grading. Since correct answers are predetermined, the process of evaluating responses is faster compared to subjective assessments. 3. Standardization. Objective tests are often standardized, meaning that the conditions of administration and scoring are uniform for all test takers. This standardization enhances the reliability and comparability of results. 4. Diverse formats. Objective type tests come in various formats, including multiple choice questions, MCQs, true-false questions, matching questions, fill-in-the-blank questions, and more. This diversity allows educators to assess different types of knowledge and skills. 5. Clear and concise questions. Questions in objective type tests are formulated to be clear, concise, and unambiguous. The intention is to present information or a problem in a way that allows test takers to select the correct answer based on their understanding. 6. Measures factual knowledge. Objective tests are particularly well suited for assessing factual knowledge. They are effective in evaluating a person's recall and understanding of specific information, facts, or concepts. 7. Limited subjectivity. Subjectivity is minimized in objective type tests. Grading is based on whether the chosen answer aligns with the predetermined correct answer, reducing the influence of personal bias in evaluation. 8. Suitability for large-scale assessment. Objective type tests are practical for large-scale assessments, such as standardized tests administered to a wide population. They facilitate the efficient evaluation of a large number of test takers. 9. Ease of analysis. The results of objective type tests can be easily analyzed and summarized. Statistics such as percentages, averages, and item analysis can provide insights into overall performance and the difficulty level of individual questions. 10. Reduction of ambiguity. Since objective tests have clear and unambiguous answer choices, they reduce the potential for misinterpretation or ambiguity in responses, making the assessment more reliable. What are various formats of objective type tests? 1. Multiple choice questions. MCQs present a question with several answer options, and the test taker selects the correct one. Example. Question. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin. B. Paris. Correct. C. Madrid. D. Rome. 2. True-false questions. Learners choose whether a statement is true or false. Example. Statement. The earth revolves around the sun. True-false. 3. Matching questions. Test takers match items in one column to corresponding items in another column. Example. Match the following countries with their capitals: France A, Berlin Germany B, Paris Italy C, Rome. Correct order: 1-B2-A3-C. 4. Fill in the blank. Learners complete sentences or phrases with the missing information. Example. Complete the sentence: the capital of India is. Correct answer: New Delhi. 5. Multiple true-false questions. Similar to MCQs, but with more than one correct answer. Example: which of the following are mammals? A. Dog. True. B. Snake. False. C. Bat. True. D. Turtle. False. 6. Matching lists. Test takers match items in one list with items in another list. Example: match the author with their famous work. Shakespeare A. Pride and Prejudice. Jane Austen B. Hamlet. Correct order: 1-B to -A. 7. Assertion reasoning questions. Test takers evaluate whether a given assertion is true and if the provided reasoning is valid. Example: assertion: plants perform photosynthesis. Reasoning: chlorophyll in plant cells captures sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Merits of objective type tests. 1. Efficiency in grading. Objective type tests are efficient to grade, especially in large-scale assessments. The presence of predetermined correct answers allows for quick and standardized evaluation. 2. Standardization. These tests are often standardized in terms of administration and scoring, ensuring uniformity in testing conditions and facilitating reliable comparisons across individuals or groups. 3. Objectivity. Grading in objective type tests is objective, as correct answers are predetermined. This reduces the influence of subjectivity or bias in the evaluation process. 4. Versatility. Objective tests can be designed for various content areas and skills, offering versatility in assessing factual knowledge, comprehension, and specific abilities. 5. Clear and unambiguous questions. Questions in objective tests are formulated to be clear and unambiguous. Test takers are presented with straightforward problems, and correct answers are objectively defined. 6. Ease of analysis. Results from objective tests are easily analyzed. Statistics such as percentages, averages, and item analysis provide insights into overall performance and the difficulty level of individual questions. 7. Reduced guessing impact. While guessing is possible, the presence of multiple choice options with distractors minimizes the likelihood of correct answers through random guessing. 8. Practical for large-scale testing. These tests are practical for large-scale assessments, making them suitable for standardized tests administered to a broad population. Limitations of objective type tests. 1. Limited assessment of higher-order thinking. Objective tests may not effectively assess higher-order thinking skills such as critical thinking, analysis, synthesis, and application of knowledge. 2. Not suitable for subjective or opinion-based assessment. Objective tests are not well suited for assessing subjective opinions, personal experiences, or creative expression, which are better evaluated through other methods like essays. 3. Potential for guessing. While the impact is minimized, test takers can sometimes guess correct answers, especially if the multiple choice options are familiar or if they use strategies such as eliminating obviously incorrect choices. 4. Inability to assess problem-solving skills. Objective tests may not effectively evaluate complex problem-solving skills that require a deep understanding of concepts and the ability to apply knowledge to novel situations. 5. Limited feedback. Objective tests often provide limited feedback to test takers. They may know their overall score but might not receive detailed insights into areas of strength or weakness. 6. Rote memorization focus. These tests may encourage rote memorization rather than fostering a deeper understanding of the subject matter. 7. Difficulty in assessing communication skills. Communication skills, including the ability to articulate ideas clearly and coherently, are challenging to assess through objective type tests. 8. Cultural bias. Some multiple-choice questions may unintentionally introduce cultural bias, disadvantaging individuals from certain cultural backgrounds. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.